Now, we are going to unveil two incredible features that will unleash your spirit of freedom and exploration: the remarkable folding system and the awe-inspiring shock absorber. Folding system, also called quick folding system. Usually, the rider can fold the scooter within seconds. The system will hold the stem firm during riding to ensure the rider's safety. The rider may fold and unfold the scooter for hundreds or thousands of times, so the folding system needs to be reasonable and durable. But wait, there's more. The shock absorber takes your ride to new heights of comfort. Generally, there are two types of absorber used on electric scooters: spring shock absorber and rev shock absorbers. While spring shock absorbers have many types, manufacturers like to make their own design to achieve different merits. This component enhances your scooter's stability, absorbs vibration, and ensures a comfortable journey. With it, you can say goodbye to bumpy ride.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.